I'm Jesse Rameshwaram. I'm the Senior Product Manager at Canon. The CAV5 platform is the next evolution. It stitches together performance, flexibility, and a range of measurement options. You could scale your laboratory as your needs evolve, and with different configurations, different functionalities, and you could access multiple instruments unlimited from anywhere in your lab to a different laboratory or a different site across the world. As long as it's on your internet network, you can manage those. You can keep adding instruments, and while you maintain the consistency of the platform, serviceability, consistency in data, it has the precision and the accuracy and the reliability that our customers have grown to expect from Canon over the decades. All our instruments are ASTM D445 compliant, and so is the CAV5 platform. You get the same precision, same accuracy, and in some ways better. And we added a lot more intelligence into it, a lot more innovation, software improvements. The platform offers different configurations. You could get a wash and vial, you could get different tube tips, you could get for different kinds of materials. The R model also has a 3-solvent option. So it's built in. That expands the applicability of the two wider range of materials that need different kinds of solvents to wash out. And so instead of having a solvent, then you clean that line out and then use a different solvent. Now you have a third solvent as well. And so you have the flexibility of having a single bath, single tube unit that can cater to your specific needs and specific workflows in the lab. It eliminates all the traditional multi-bath, multi-tube limitations that come with those that are on the market right now. You could configure the instrument just the way you needed it for your applications and your lab and your workflow. You could have full carousel heating. You could have a targeted heating. We've modernized the whole platform, and it built in a lot of intelligence that optimizes your applications, so it saves time. So your throughput is increased by a good 20-30%. So all these features combined are not available on the market in one platform or one unit. And so that makes it kind of a unique family of instruments. So the CAV5 platform is designed to accommodate all kinds of samples. It could be used in industries such as oil and gas, lubricants, waxy materials, anywhere that the kinematic viscosity is needed. The CAV5 can be used. If you have, for example, a really high viscosity sample, or you don't know what the optimum soak time is or heat equilibration time is, the instrument will help you with that. You have an optimization wizard that will walk you through how much time you need to soak, and so you don't have to guess or measure it multiple times to find the right or optimum amount of time you need to soak your sample for. It's looking at a band of temperature variation, and it's telling you, okay, this is where it's at equilibrium already. Soak time can be reduced by 107 seconds. That's a significant amount of time for when you have a high throughput lab. And the same thing with the overdraw. Overdraw is how much extra you want so that you have enough sample there for the meniscus to be detected when it starts to drop. And so this wizard will tell you, okay, you don't need to draw 50% more, 80% more. It'll tell you 10%, 12%, 15% more, and you're good enough. And so all that time is saved. You could do that for each of your samples, and that optimizes your parameters. Then you go into your method, and then you enter those parameters, and then your throughput is improved that much. CAV-R and the CAV-X can operate in the temperature range from 15 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. You have the option to get limited range between 40 and 100, or you can get an extended range, or you can get all of them together. And all of them can be accommodated in the X and the R models. The CAV-R is truly the flagship product because it has all those options inherently built into it, combined with all the heating options that come standard and the temperature range that can be extended. It really becomes a flagship model. It's not a one-size-fits-all. It's tailorable. You can tailor it, you can configure it, and use it just the way you need it, just for your specific purposes. And you could manage the methods. You could export data. You could pull data in. You could push pre-configured methods onto an instrument And it doesn't have to be, once you push it, it goes to all instruments. Each instrument, you could target it individually. And so you could standardize your methods and workflow across labs, across instruments, across sites, across continents. You have the performance, the flexibility, the scalability on the platform, and the CAV-R can handle any sample you throw at it. And so that's the beauty of the whole platform.